Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see here, I have a very large Erin Condren box. It won't even fit entirely in screen. I did take advantage of their recent Friends and Family sale that they had going on, and as usual, the shipping was quick. So I am going to unbox this for you and show you what I got. Alright, so let's see if I can kind of get us in frame a little bit. There we go. So as always, you get your postcard and your Enjoy label. Color is based on the month you ordered. Since I ordered in October, mine is orange. I got the mint green box with some lime green paper and this gigantic Enjoy sticker. We'll open this up and show you what I've got in here. Okay, so I'm going to take everything out of this box and move the box so that I can actually kind of put you guys in frame here a little better. There we go. So I'm going to share with you the first thing that I got, which after I saw them, I fell in love with them and wanted one of my own, and that was the EC hooded sweatshirt. So I got mine in gray. I'll lay it out a little bit so you can see what it looks like. But yeah, it's got the asterisks, and on the back it says create, motivate, inspire. So I cannot wait to wear this. It feels nice and thick and soft. Very thrilled. I'm going to put this aside. I then got, this is not their new release of the stickers that they just released this past week. But I wanted some holiday stickers. And of course, the packaging ripped the minute I open it. So this is the Winter Holiday Sticker Pack, the old version. It comes with 3 sheets. Has some rose gold foiling, some gold foiling, and then of course the platinum foiling. So I'm excited to use these this year. So we can move this off to the side as well. The next thing I got was some more of the sticky notes. I'm getting close to running out. This is the Woven Wonder Pack. It's the one I like so far the best with the different variety of stickers. So we're gonna use those. Gonna get a lot of use out of those. I then got 2 covers. I got the watercolor waves and the you can see me in my camera, hello. The rose gold falling leaves, and I believe it's a charcoal background. It's absolutely beautiful in person. The camera doesn't do either of these covers justice. They look beautiful. But what I'm most excited about is that these came onto the site, I think, before they were even officially released, and I was able to order it. And it's the new 2019 Inspirational Quote Calendar. I have the 2018 version on my wall in the kitchen here, but I want to show you the 2019 version so that you can get a look at it. So, the pocket is a little bent up, but that is okay. I'll show you the little sheet that comes with it. Basically, you get 12-month calendar views and get inspired with motivating quotes featuring elements from our new Woven Wonder design. Hang this beauty on your wall or lay it flat at your desk. Don't forget to sticker to each month's plans with over 190 metallic gold stickers that are included. Last year, I believe it was rose gold with the painted petals. but this is what it looks like. It's very pretty. But the same great quality paper. Like I said, it is a little bent up because my box was bent up, but it's not anything that's going to damage the calendar. It's still able to be used. But you can see what it looks like. And I'm just going to keep flipping through the months here. I was a little late on the train getting the 2018 one, so I think I only got to use like half the year. But when I saw that these were coming out, I absolutely wanted to get on it and have this ready because I had a different calendar for the start of 2018, and I just didn't like it as much. But this is really clean. I love all the quotes and the Woven Wonder design. And then you have the cardboard back here. See, this is really like really wrinkled up. But here are the stickers. They've got these beautiful flag stickers in vibrant colors. The little boxes. You got some teardrops, some checklists, some celebrating circles, little teardrops with things written in them like bill due, to do, holiday, appointment, take note, love it, just all sorts of stickers. So that was my mini Erin Condren haul that I have for you, and I hope you enjoyed seeing some of the new things that have come out. I know that the sticky notes and the stickers aren't new, but the covers, the calendar, and the sweatshirt are fairly new. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, happy planning.